Okay, I'm using this filter right now and it looks like I'm on an airplane, but I'm not. I'm on a massage chair at my parents-in-law's house and they're looking after the baby. I was so lucky today. The baby slept for an hour. I did this really cool workout by Jess King. I'm gonna put our workout right here because it's freaking amazing and I love her energy and I love her vibe. Here, I won't talk for like 10 seconds.
Add your resistance. Now add your boogie. Woo!
I feel like as soon as you get into the Peloton community, you know who all the instructors are like really quickly. So I did a 30-minute workout and I was typically doing like 2 times 20 and it was pretty tough already because I'm a beginner and my butt was hurting. It's only day 3 and my butt's hurting a lot less. It's hurting a lot less, so that's good news. So I did that and then I did 5 minutes meditation, 5 minutes yoga. I think I did 10 minutes postnatal yoga. And I did a stretch and I did a 10-minute cool down. So in total, I did 1 hour and the baby was napping for the whole hour. And I'm so addicted. It's 9:30 on a Friday night and I'm gonna go right home after this and I'm gonna do another workout because I'm just so addicted to it. Like I'm actually super addicted to it. It's painful, it sucks, it hurts, it's amazing. I love it. So anyway, I'm so grateful that I bought it. It's freaking so expensive and so delicious at the same time. But yeah, man, day 3. Tomorrow is gonna be day 4. I've been doing like at least the 2 workouts a day. I was doing like 20 minutes morning, 20 minutes at like midnight because I'm like a night owl. I'm gonna post right here all the workouts I did just so you guys can see it. If anybody, I'm telling you, if anybody is part of the Peloton community, add us. I'm gonna make the hashtag. I already made it. It's hashtag fast forward to health. It's one of the tags so we can all meet there. And then if you guys want to do workouts at the same time, that's the cool thing about it. We can do that and we can schedule workouts and I'll put all the ones like I said I did here today and I'm gonna go and do another one. Yeah. Woo! Oh, okay, I just remembered the thing I was gonna say. So Nick is super supportive. Yesterday we got home, it was like 12:30 midnight or something. Grandpa's yawning in the back. But anyway, so we went home and then I did a 20-minute workout. Everything was good. Nick was watching the baby. And as soon as I stepped off the bike, the baby's in a completely different room. But I think she knew that I'm off the bike and she was like, milk, 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 I want some milk. So she was super like screaming, crying. She really wanted milk. She woke up from her nap and she just wanted to drink some milk. So I didn't have time to jump in the shower. It was really like hectic because I was so out of breath at that point. And I jumped in the shower after I fed her and then she was like, no, I want more milk. Ah! So then I had to like jump in and out of the shower 10 times. At that point, Nick was like so tired and sleeping and he had to get up later. So anyway, it was pretty funny, but we managed. We got through it. It was good. 4.5 months. Her sleeping is so good today. Anyway, I almost forgot this vlog, but then I remembered I was vlogging every day. So today's day 3, kicking butt. About to get off the massage chair and go home. It's gonna be amazing. Gonna do another workout and hopefully she sleeps tonight because the whole crying thing was like pretty hectic, but she slept so well today, so we'll see how lucky we are tonight. I hope she sleeps very well. She's a very good baby. I love her so much. I'm so proud of her. She's been eating real food now. So anyway, so that's what's up. And yeah, you guys know, okay, 2 things. First of all, I'm gonna put my referral code if ever you guys want to jump on the Peloton bandwagon. Look, I cut my finger. But if ever you guys want to join the Peloton bandwagon, I think you get like $100 or $125 off or something for apparel and stuff. So, and I'll put the referral code down there. And for those of you guys who want to join our regular fasting challenges, which is the Fast Forward to Health Accountability Challenges, I'm giving everyone December for free when they sign up for January. So the link is also down there below. So let me know if you guys want to join that. There's not that many spots because I don't want to have a huge group. I want to keep the group small because it's been really nice and close-knit and small recently. So not a huge group. Maybe we'll cap it at like 25 max. 20, 25 max. Big max, okay? Because I really don't want a huge group. And we're doing the leaderboard again. And we're doing like workout challenges, fasting challenges. One more thing again that I didn't mention is that a few days ago, literally like 2-3 days ago, I was complaining about the OMAD. I've been so busy with the baby and the Peloton and the vlogging and stuff and the calls that I actually yesterday ended up doing OMAD and today ended up doing OMAD, and so far so good. I haven't had any breast milk issues so far, so maybe slowly I could ease myself back into OMAD, and I think maybe my breast milk supply is like more established now, or maybe more used to OMAD because I was throwing in some practice ones. So the scale is gonna go, it's gonna start moving. I'm feeling good. Hot mama summer, here we come. And I'm so happy. I'm turning 30 in July. It's gonna be our 3-year anniversary with Fast Forward to Health. I'm gonna have a huge, beautiful, incredible transformation. You're all gonna have a huge, beautiful, incredible transformation. We have 7 months until July. Let's do it. Let's kick butt. Don't give up right now. You literally have 5 weeks until 2021 or until Christmas or something like that. I have to check a calendar. Just keep kicking butt. Don't give up. Keep showing up. Keep showing up. Keep showing up. Even if the results don't come right away, keep showing up. Let's do this, okay? Mama's back. Mama's back in business. Join me. Text me, like just whatever. Message me, email me. Every day I want to see you in the comments and I want to see you hit your journey. So let's do it, okay? Also, I apologize about my super disheveled look right now. I'm just kidding. I'm not apologizing for anything. I look cute. You look cute. We all look cute. We need to stop apologizing for existing, okay? That's a new message. I'm not going to apologize for not having my hair done or using a filter because that's how my mood is right now. But that's a little tangent I'm going on. I'm not going to go into that. So let's just kick butt, okay? Now is the time to join us. I know Fast Forward to Health was kind of like dead for a while during my pregnancy. I wasn't vlogging anything, but you know, now you guys know when I put my mind to it, I'm going to lose the weight and I'm going to get there. So this is a perfect time to join us and kick butt with me, and we're in it together. And you know I'm going to see some results next year because I've done it once. I could do it again, and so have you. If you've gained weight before, just do it. Let's do it together. Let's kick some butt and let's get in shape, okay? Okay, last thing before I sign off and then go home and then do my workout is if you do have a Peloton, add me. This is my username. I'm going to be posting on Instagram which workouts I do every day. So if you guys want to do the same workout, that would be super cool. And my Instagram is the same as my Peloton username. So it's YPIYALE, and I'll post it right here, okay? I love you guys. Kick some butt. If you're not fasting, start fasting, whether it's OMAD, whatever, just get into it, okay? It's the time now. We have 7 months. Let's do this, okay? And also, if you don't have a Peloton, it doesn't matter. They have a free app anyway. Download the free trial. Make sure you unhook it from your subscriptions and make sure you delete it immediately so it doesn't charge you, because that's how they get you with those like free subscription things. So do it. Join the free one if you want. I was doing cardio dance for like a month before I even got the bike. So let's do it. Let's kick butt and let's get it done, okay? I love you guys. See you tomorrow.